Welcome to the cash flow module of the CXL range of products. Whether your business runs a large fleet with complex financing, with projects in progress, or comprises of a small fleet planning to grow, CXL cash flow brings simplicity and efficiency to the table. You can get a complete picture in a matter of seconds. CXL cash flow is easy to set up and use thanks to easy-to-understand standard shipping industry-specific datasheets. You can track all your cash commitments and revenues such as time charter, voyage charter, surveys, loans and repayment commitments, new building commitments, sale and purchase of second-hand ships, and much more. In fact, over 40 customized shipping information reports are available in an instant to help you see what and when your commitments are due and how these will be fulfilled. Reports can be run whenever and wherever. You can have them on screen, printed, or compiled in PDF format and mailed all in a matter of minutes. Assess your decisions and their impact on cash flow. Let's look at some features in more detail. Your cash flow projections report gives you a complete and accurate picture of your cash situation at any date. It pulls in data from all your cost and revenue data sheets. Build reports in minutes, giving yourself the information you need to make reliable decisions to negotiate better deals. Let's look at how you can use it. The report I'm looking at shows my company's cash flow over the period of a year in monthly increments. I simply select the range of dates for my reports and just review the results immediately. I stay in complete control of my cash flow situation at any time. It's that simple. It's easy to keep data current and accurate. I've used some estimates in my report. As market conditions change, I can go back and correct these. Here, for instance, I am going to adjust my time charter rate for the Aigli Okeanis for the month of January 2009. And my data is updated automatically. Allocate transactions, even split transactions to specific dates, and let CXL do all the hard work compiling the results for you instantly. I can do this on any datasheet for any period and date and see the effects immediately. Testing scenarios for cash flow impact is an important decision-making tool. It's simple to do with CXL cash flow. Let's say that I obtain a bank loan of $93 million for the purchase and delivery of my new building Notos Okeanis. How will this fit into my overall cash position? On my borrowings inflow datasheet, I can enter the loan details analytically. Select the name of the ship, enter the details, enter the name of the bank, enter the loan date, enter the due date for drawdown, and my cash flow is already updated. Sometimes reading the numbers isn't enough. You need to actually visualize them. So we've provided plenty of visual charts that you can bring up in just one click. You can choose which sections of your fleet to include or omit in your cash flow report. For example, I can create a report only for tankers. On my fleet company's datasheet, I filter by type of ship. Then I select what I want to include or omit. My fleet company's report is updated. The figures for all my ships are still displayed in red for reference, but are excluded in the final calculation. All your data sheets are available as reports. Let us see our survey's commitments. Filter the report to your requirements and click to produce your presentation quality report. CXL cash flow is designed by shipping experts for shipping experts. It runs on Microsoft Excel, so staff won't have to learn new software. They'll need no extra training at all. And if you run into problems, help is at hand. Our clearly written help manual is just one click away. And our online support forums are there to answer your questions.